Hi guys, it's Anushka and welcome back to my channel. So if you don't know, I'm Anushka and I make videos on lifestyle, fashion, vlogs and travel vlogs also. And it goes a little something like आज मैं बनाने वाली हूँ नाइट टाइम स्किन केयर रूटीन वीडियो. सो इट्स रियली इम्पोर्टेंट कि हम नाइट में स्किन केयर करें. हम वी ऑल्सो डू इन मॉर्निंग बट इट्स ऑल्सो रियली इम्पोर्टेंट कि आप नाइट में करो, क्योंकि द वेरी बिग क्वेश्चन व्हाई यू शुड डू होल स्किन केयर रूटीन एट नाइट. इट्स नॉट आपको ऐसा नहीं है बहुत कुछ करना होगा, जस्ट आपकी स्किन कैसी है, स्किन टाइप कैसी है, उसके हिसाब से you can consult, you can go to a store and tell them how's your skin combination primarily. They'll tell you products. बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं मार्केट में, आपको किसका देख के यूज़ करने की बिल्कुल ज़रूरत नहीं है. जो आपके हिसाब से अच्छा हो, जो आपके स्किन के लिए अच्छा हो, यूज़ दैट प्रोडक्ट एंड या then you can do a skincare. Then you can go for a nice nighttime skincare routine, which is very important. Now let's get into the video and I'll show you my nighttime skincare routine, how I do it and what products I use. So yeah, let's get started. सबसे पहले अपने बाल पीछे के लेके मैं I'll put clip. Yeah, that's the channel. So usually what I do first thing is I take off my makeup. So आज मैं घर पे थी, so I didn't wear any makeup. ये गार्नियर का oil infused cleanser use करती हूँ. So yeah, this one is really nice. This one all the time. ऐसे मेकअप बहुत अच्छे से उतरता है. Yeah, so because I'm not wearing a makeup today, I'll go with everything first. Yeah, ऐसा काम नहीं है आज. I'll brush my teeth. Brush your teeth. So now for the second thing, I'm going to go with a face wash. So I'll be using this one. It's a Biotech Biopara Flawless Skin Face Wash. Now this one is for all skin type. I love this face wash, guys. It's so good. And this one is for all skin types. So आप भी इसे use कर सकते हो. So like every skin type, if you have oily combination or a dry, you can use this. After washing your face gently, don't rub your face with a towel and also use a separate towel for your face. Just dab karo your face pe. You don't need to rub it. And you should never rub any towel on your face like this. हमेशा इसे dab करो. So after the face wash, I'll go with the toner. So I'm using this one. This is a Body Shop Seawood Toner for oil balancing. And this is a really nice one. थोड़ा सा drop करेंगे. Okay, this much is enough. And now हल्का हल्का इसे dab करना all over your face. This is really nice, huh? I love toners, man. We're done with the toner. उसके बाद हम यूज करेंगे आई क्रीम्स. आई क्रीम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है फॉर योर, मतलब रात में आप आई क्रीम यूज करना, इट्स रियली इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर आईज. इट जस्ट गिव्स दैट मॉइस्चर. I'll be using this one. Sorry, this one. So this is the Biotique Anti-Fatigue Eye Gel. Now this is a really nice eye cream. It's not expensive. ये कुछ 100 कुछ में है, जो बहुत अच्छा है ये. I'll just dab it. Yeah. Then apply it. पहले dab करो, फिर थोड़ा मसाज करो all over your eye. Now after the eye cream, I'm gonna go with the moisture. Now moisture is damn important to use a good moisture. I'll be using the Clinique one. This is a Clinique Moisture Surge, which I recently started using. और बहुत amazing है guys. I'm just loving this one. It's worth every penny. Really, I think it is expensive, but it's really worth the money, and I think you should try it once for sure. You don't have to take a lot of amount. थोड़ा सा लेके rub it on your palms. Just gives that warmth to your moisture. Then first dab it all over your face. And then massage it in a circular motion. And also upward. I do it every time. Whenever आप जब भी कोई क्रीम लगा रहे हो, कोई भी मॉइस्चर लगा रहे हो, मेक श्योर आप उसे ऊपर की तरफ लेकर जा रहे हो, नॉट डाउनवर्ड्स. ऑलवेज मसाज एंड टेक इट अपवर्ड. द मॉइस्चर आई एम ऑलमोस्ट डन. अब मैं यूज करूंगी. इट्स अ लिप बाम. नाउ दिस इज बाय Lush and it's Honey Trap. I just love the smell of them. और लिप बाम भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. आप रात में सोते वक्त अच्छा लिप बाम लगाकर सो. It just replenish your lip and slowly hydrates your lip. That's really important. अब विंटर्स भी आ गए तो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि आप अच्छे से केयर करो, स्किन की मॉइस्चर दो. And I'm just using this one. Love this one. For the last step, I'm going to use the hand cream, and I'll be using this one by Forest Essential, their ultra nourishing hand cream. Now I feel रात में आपके you work all day, you do stuff, we use all our hands. We are using all the time our hands, and सबसे ज़्यादा ड्राई जो जाते हैं हमारे hands हो जाते हैं. तो it's really important कि आप रात में सोने से पहले hand cream लगाकर भी सोएं. काफी इसका इतना rock is enough. Take it and just massage it. Good. Your hands will feel damn soft. बहुत अच्छा लगता है आंटी लगाकर, and it smells so good. And then when you wake up in the morning, you can really feel your hands like really soft. So that's it for my nighttime skincare routine video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you liked it. So guys, yeah, if you did, then please do like this video, comment down below, and do subscribe to my channel. And see you next time. So then, bye bye. You are a summer and after fall,